it's me, Kendall. Don't worry about this, for real. Like, oh my gosh. Well, I found out a new way you could make slime than borax. You could just, because look, it's just turning to the mixer for some reason. I didn't know if this is going to work out because last video that didn't work, okay? If you didn't see that one, go look down below. I will put in the description. Well, anyways, I use this like a slime. It's from Michaels and, you know, any kind of dish soap. But I'm using this. Duh. Well, anyways, I just use a container to just mix everything up, but I feel like changing it. So if you want to do that, it's okay if it's okay. And I use a little bit water to make it like a mixer of slime. Well, anyways, that's just my video, and I hope you give it a like. If you don't have borax, it's okay. You could just use these things that I just showed you guys. So I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up and bye.